Hello guys, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Florenda Dileg, The Wonder Floor and Adventure. Ayan. Lumabas pa po guys kasi magkikita po kami ng aking pong kababayan na taga Moncada dahil nandito po ang kanyang anak na nag-tour din po siya. So, magkikita po kami sa Decathlon. Tara na guys, samahan niyo ako. Enjoy watching. Yan guys, lalakad na tayo. Papunta po doon sa Decathlon. Actually guys, malapit lang kasi dito sa amin, kaya naglakad na ako. Hindi na po ako sumakay ng bus para makatipid, di po ba? Sayang din. Okay. See you later. Ayan guys, nandito na po ako. Hahanapin ko po sila. Nandito na po tayo sa Decathlon. Bumibili daw sila ng sapatos guys. Decathlon. Ayan guys. Where are they? Bibili daw sila ng sapatos. Tingnan natin, sister. Where are they? Sila dito. Sa baba. Yeah. Shoes. Okay. I-change na. Where are they? Sandali guys, ikutin natin.
Like the kid did. Second floor.
Ice.
Make a left with the right is second check. And the support here.
Excuse me, more shoes upstairs?
More shoes, hiking shoes out there.
Hiking. Thank you so much. Ayun guys, pababa na daw sila. Tignan natin. Dito tayo sa baba. Yan guys, oh. Daming mga shorts. Oh, diba? Hello! Welcome to Singapore! Ito. Ayan, ito yung ano niya.
Ay,
Hindi. Ayan guys, punta na po kami sa Fort Canning. Alay lakad lang po ito.
Alay lakad.
Ano pangalan ng anak mo?
Binaya Eunice.
Binaya yun. Ang galing ah. Ganda ng pangalan. Oo, diba? Anong kinukuha mo muna eh? Anong kinukuha mo for? Business Administration? Ayos yung... Ay, yung ano ko din, yung anak ko yung panganay.
Ganun din?
Oh, si Chip. May nasa Palawan.
Ilan anak mo si?
Dalawa.
Yung babae sa lalaki?
Oh, yung nagpunta dito. Apo ko na yung si Noah. Oh. Anak niya yun.
Strong ba talaga yung pangalan niya?
Oh, Noah is strong. Hindi kasi may ano yun eh. May istorya yun.
Oo, kaya naging strong.
Oo. Kasi ano, inilaban niya yung buhay niya. Kasi kulang sa sa buwan.
Oh,
Tapos in-incubator. Mahinang-mahina siya.
pati nga ito.
Sa panalangin. Mm-mm.
Pero
Ayan.
ang ganda na yung katawan niya ngayon. Binugan.
Nasubaybayan mo. Ay, oo.
Walang kailan lang.
Grasya ng Lord. Dito, tumatakbo noon. Sabi niya, Mama, mamala. Sabi niya, wala na ako dyan sa Singapore. Wala na, sabi ko.
Gusto niyang bumalik?
Oo, nandiyan ka na. Punta ako dyan, maglalakad ako, sabi niya. Ay, madaldal yun.
Kasi enjoy na.
Oo, na-enjoy nila. Talaga. Kaya, pasalamat talaga sa Panginoon kasi ano yun. Sa blessing ng Panginoon. Lahat, sa amo ko yun.
Dito kung papunta niya dito.
Talaga. Blessing ng Panginoon. Tingnan mo nga.
Biglaan pa, yung
Pag-anak
papunta
ng
niya
Lord.
dito, kaya pa nai-rush.
Oh.
Hindi mo nakalain na totohanin niya pa.
Ayan guys, nandito na
Hindi
kami.
ko papunta. Oo nga, why not? Sabi ko, pero wala kang budget.
Oo, tayong pagkakataon. Pag kanya lang sila nagsasabi, grab mo.
Hindi kaya ko sabi,
Oo, sayang.
pag pa nai-rush na.
Oo. Diba? Yung miss. Ayan guys, oh. Okay, later. Ito na po kami sa Port Canning Park. Papasyal namin ng dalaga. Ayan oh, may ilang-ilang. There. Naamoy mo ba? Ilang-ilang, may ilang-ilang. Ayan si Ganda, oh, si Eunice. Hello. Pang model. Si dalaga natin, oh. Mismong kada. Hindi ka sumali. Mismong kada. Maraming din eh. Guys, kumuha po kami ng aming ticket.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just with what the voice.
Yeah. Okay. Dito po kami. Mamaya na. Mamaya na. Ay, mamaya.
10 minutes pa lang.
Hindi, ay kayo lang yung yung dalawa lang ako. Sa akin. Ako lang magbabayad.
Ay, hindi na.
Hindi, uwi pa kayo.
Hindi na.
And guys, sakay kami ulit ng ferry. Yay! Enjoy! Ayan siya. Yay! Ayan guys. Oh, special trip kami ulit guys. Di ba? Napakaganda. Yan guys. Nandiyan na po ang aming sasakyan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan na, pababa na kami guys. Oh yeah, I see. Thanks God, special trip sabi ko. Oops. Thank you. Ayan guys, nandito na po kami special trip. Thank you Lord. Sige, tignan nyo nga. Solo flight namin guys. Ayan, oh, di ba?
Nag-vlog din.
Hello! O ikaw, Neng, baka gusto mo pagpa-picture? Or mag-vlog muna tayo. Mag-vlog muna kami, guys. Ayan, o, special tayo ngayon. Oh.
Dalawa na pagaling.
Yan, ang ganda guys. Ayan, special trip po kami. Nandito naman po ang inyong lingkod.
Dito lang kami.
Ayan guys. Special trip, di ba? Kasi pag dito talaga special trip, pero pag doon marami. Oo.
Kasi babalik din tayo dito.
Oo, babalik din tayo. Kasi noon 4 o'clock din kami umalis. Kami lang talaga. Di ba? Ang galing. Alam ko pala yung timing na nila.
Yeah.
Maganda kasi pag tayo lang. guys. Oh. Yay! Oh, di ba guys? Nandito na naman yung lingkod. Nakapot tayo. Uy, ano? Nakabukas pa rin yung bag ko. Ay, naku, hindi nalaglag yung pera mo. May video! Video! Akala ko.
Children's and extra large life jackets can be found at designated locked compartments.
Ayan guys. Oh, di ba? Nandito naman yung lingkod. Di ba ang ganda? Ayan po yung tourist namin na dalaga.
Are located on the front and back of the boat.
Bakit ang dilim?
Thank you for cruising with Waterby. We wish you a pleasant journey ahead.
Guys.
Riverside Homes sports a facade harking back to its humble origins in the 1800s as the
Pangatlo ko na itong sumakay.
maritime trade. Its series of pitched roofs are a tribute to the warehouses which once lined their shores.
Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Yes.
Into the pedestrian bridge and gazetted for conservation in 2008.
Tingnan nyo guys.
Passing car.
Solo namin.
It is home to
Ayan. Dito ka din. Yan o. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan yung Clarkway Central. Maganda na ngayon eh. Inayos kasi nila.
Is an area steeped in history, hints of its heritage lingering even to
Susunod po doon sa
shop houses you see today.
oh, di ba guys, ang ganda. Yay!
And replicas offices and homes. Living conditions were not luxurious. Being able to walk to your office in less than a minute was a huge plus. In 1993, Clark Key underwent its first makeover and re-emerged as home.
Ayan po yung dalaga namin. Ang model. Solo namin. Solo namin guys. Oh.
Now that's what we call seeing.
Arkelado namin.
This is Coleman Bridge, named
Oh,
after
yeah.
George Coleman,
Yung sinundan namin eh. Hindi lang tayo pumunta dyan kasi bumabata ka na.
centuries. Beginning life and work as a single river city in 1814, it was rebuilt in 1865. And then in 1886 with iron, it was the house of the before it was rebuilt in concrete in 1990. That's the version we see today.
Footway, yan. No? Wala na lang natin yung driver. Ay, bumaba ngayon, 20. 20 no, dalawa tayo. 20 isa. Tapos siya 28. Oo, tingnan mo nga, bumaba na naman. Turista pa siya. Oo. Ang binayaran namin, 28. Oo. Tapos 38 sila. Oo, tingnan mo. Oo. Hindi ba na? Ayun yung magina. Yay. Yun. Ayan, ang ganda. Oh, yun. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda doon. Nandito na po kami sa river. Cruise, guys. Maganda sa gabi din ito kasi lahat ilaw. Ayan. Hello! Ayan, ay maganda rin na. Wonderful.
Hello. Mamaya mga
Tingnan nyo, malapit na yung vulkan. Ay, yung ano, yung Merlion. Dito ka. Para magandang tignan.
Arriving from Cebu,
Ah?
Thailand.
Sige, picture ka lang. Ay,
Loaded tongkans or vessels moved along the quay became common sight.
dito, mas pag sa gabi, may ilaw lahat yan. Heritage ko din. Oh, di ba ang ganda, guys? Mabilis ito. Mabilis ang ngayon ng ano niya. Dati mabagal. Ayan, museum. Museum.
Is a far cry from its former self, modernized, clean, and filled with towering skyscrapers. However, the many sculptures placed throughout the area continue to serve as a reminder of its storied past. The cave often hosts cultural events and festivals, such as the Singapore River Festival, offering visitors a chance to experience local traditions and performances.
Ayan. Mamaya, madaanan natin yung Merlion.
Eh, 25 may lang na kayo. 1, 2, 3. Ko na lang, wala ko na. Ito yung building dito.
Malalim kaya din ito? Itong dagat mo.
Hindi siguro.
Malalim. Ayan na yung Fullerton Hotel. Ayan na siya. Ganda. Fullerton Hotel.
On the signage it narrowly avoided demolition.
Ayan, guys.
Fullerton Hotel,
Fullerton Hotel.
with a facade reminiscent of the Parthenon. in
Ayan o,
Athens.
umiilaw sa gabi.
Fullerton Hotel is an award-winning five-star luxury hotel located effectively in the literal center or mile zero of Singapore. However, before it opened its doors as a hotel
Ayan,
in
oh.
December 2000,
Tingnan niyo, ang ganda,
it
oh.
was once the Fullerton Building,
Yeah.
and its tenants included the post office, a town club, multiple government departments, and even a lighthouse. And if we were to go even further back in time, it was once a military base built in 1829 that went by the name of Fullerton Fort. In 2015,
Guys, Merlion. Ayun, nasakay na ito.
Ayun na malapit na.
Lalapit yun eh.
Lalapit yan?
Ganyan. Lalapit tayo. Merlion is there.
Takpan mo na si Merlion.
Merlion Park, where are you, Merlion?
however, this traveled in blue of parts of house that the entire 8.6-meter tall section
Bakit nag-ano?
of 6
Umaalon.
in Singapore currently.
Ano yung kamay mo dun, oh? Para konti Merlion. Parang pag-ganon.
Behind it, Chinese porcelain
Takpan mo yung kamay mo dyan. Huwag mong takpan si Merlion.
is a source of fascinating
Hindi, takpan mo siya. Wala, ano ba? Dito ka rin ako. Sige, takpan mo na yung kamay mo.
such
Oh,
as
sakto.
Ayan, ang galing, Merlion. Yay! See? Maalon talaga pala din itong banda.
Bakit marami ka kumakakas? Sige, takot na natakpan yung
Dali. Ayan na si Merlion. Yay! So, oo nga naman. Makabalik pa si Mami, ah.
Ako makabalik.
Babalik pa kami ni mami po. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Yay! Mahangin na ganda. At least, ayan guys, so malapit na tayo. Ayan na yung Marina Bay. Sa likod na natin yung Marina Bay, guys. Ang ganda. Maganda po talaga ang Singapore.
Talaga sini Singapore. Magpatiliwang mo.
Esplanade. Ayan natin, nandito na tayo sa Esplanade. Esplanade na yata yun. Ayan na yung Merlion.
Nagbigyan lang kita kanina.
Ayan.
They were purpose-built to allow light while keeping the heat from
Ang ganda.
officially opened in 2002. It was built to host large live performances, commemorating its opening, a 3-week-long festival which saw more than 1 million visitors.
1, 2,
Esplanade na tayo, guys.
1, 2. Ay, come on.
1,000-seat theater, respectively. The Esplanade also makes a cameo on Singapore's
Ayan na yung Esplanade.
series of
Ayan yung sinasabi niya, Esplanade.
partners.
Oo, yan. Yan yung Esplanade yung sinasabi niya.
I don't know
Ito na mga kamodel dito sa background. Yeah.
asking you for music, theater, and dance.
Maraming naman kasi.
Ada, the historic opening
Ayan na yung Merlion.
crucial role in the country's history.
Merlion is there.
Declaration of Singapore's independence.
Diba? Esplanade.
Surrounded by monuments, ancient charm, Singapore's identity. National Gallery Singapore is Southeast Asia's
Guys, pabalik na po kami, guys. Tapos na ang 45 minutes. O, diba, nag-enjoy ang lahat. Nag-enjoy po kami sa aming tour. Ito po sa River Cruise. Hindi po ba? Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda, no? Oh, Fort Canning. Yeah. It's ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Pauwi na po kami, guys. Tapos na naman ang ating paglalagalag.
Operations were largely overseen by
Ayan.
the first resident of Singapore. In 2019, additional statues were added to the landmark, acknowledging the role of the prestigious Tan-Tock Singapore, Samya Utama, and the right of the in the founding of Singapore. House and senior Singapore's government against the peaceful conditions of the day are ruled by the representatives of the people and the laws are passed into law.
So, diba, guys? Ang ganda ng ating paglalakad. It's for 4:45 na po, guys.
Literary arts.
Ayan po yung anak niya. Nag-tour.
The art house is also home to a number of literary and arts organizations.
Elgin Bridge.
Constructed in 1862. Netherlands completely is a fortune. Striking archer occupies the city of Sydney. Sydney's first bridge was built in 1822. Honorary Bridge received day was built in 1922. Cast Iron Works Museum.
Solo natin yung
Solo. Kaya nga, na-solo natin ang
Palm tree engraved on them. In 2019,
bamboo.
it was accepted as the 73rd National Monument of Singapore, along with Emerson Bridge and Capua Bridge. This makes it a single essentially potential to save money, which has been the highest level of protection in Singapore.
Ayan guys, dito na tayo. Guys, nandito na kami. Yay! Safe journey. Ah,
ilang oras. Parang isa.
tama lang.
Bilang.
Oh, at least, yan guys. Oh, tapos na po kami. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para tipitin sa lahat ng aking mga video uploads. Salamat po sa patuloy na pag-suporta sa aking YouTube channel, Florenzo Dialect, The Wonder Floor, ang aking floor. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! God bless everyone. Be safe, be true, and keep shining. Bye. Love you all. Until next time. Bye-bye. Ayan na guys. Pauwi na kami. Yan na po. Ito na yung end namin. Yan. Ano? Happy ka ba, Eunice? Yeah, ang ganda. Yay! Oh, di tara na, tara na. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.